have ate. Let's give what ate. Yan! Yan! Oh, you have food but you're not eating. What happened, baby? Here also. You like pink or orange? This. Which one you like? Pink or orange? Nah? Oh, you have your toys here. Come here. Ay, you hiya-hiya na lang ano. Hiya-hiya ka talaga. Oh, you don't like? Hala, I will give you this. I know. I know what you want, baby. Let's talk about what is our topic for today. What is our topic for today, Kati? Wait lang. Ay, madali talaga. Yeah. Ay, naku. Ay, naku, ang hirap. Ang hirap. Wait! Ay, sos. Hindi ka marunong magkain ng ano ba? Napasok mo lahat sa bunganga mo. Oh, wala na. No more. Boss na. Wala. Huwag mong kainin na to. Yan oh. Kainin mo yan oh. Kainin mo nga yan. Yay! May toy si ate. Oh, meron ka pa dito oh. Bye! Iniwan mo talaga ako. Oh, mali ka dito. Come! Come! Bisa! Where are you, Bisa? Come! Wala na. Busin mo man yan. Naubos mo. Wala ka dyan. Mahiya-hiya ka pa? Hiya-hiya pa yan. Oh, marami tayong pagkain. Oh, we have street food. You don't want? Bye. 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 Bye.